Hello, and welcome to 3 Minutes to Reset, Refresh, and Renew. Let's begin. Start with finding comfort. So relax your legs, uncross them at the feet, and readjust yourself in the chair. And now, take your shoulders and lift them up as high as you can. Lift them up and hold them for just a second. Now let them just drop and release the weight. You are prepared. Now we're going to look at alignment. So just take your head and begin to tilt it back and then forward in a very slow motion. And it is okay if you feel like you want to close your eyes at this part of the exercise. You can either watch or you can just listen. Continue to tilt back and forth. Now do this 2 more times. Now bring your head to a very slow, soft end. You are focused. Now breathe. Take deep breaths in your nostrils and release it through your mouth. And be in tune with the cycle of breath coming in and breath going out. Cycle of coming in and going out. Do that for me 2 more times. And I'm going to be quiet and just be in tune with the breath. You shall find destiny. Now focus on the tips of your fingers, the very tips of your fingers, even down to the end of your fingernails. And at the same time, focus on the bottom of your feet and even your toes. And as you focus on the tips of your fingers, bottom of your feet, and even your toes, imagine water coming down from the top of your head, past the tips of your fingers, landing at the bottom of your feet. Enjoy a washing and enjoy a refreshing. You are prepared. You are aligned. You are focused. You have destiny. And you are refreshed.